What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Solana and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as you can see, basically in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is getting another nice rally. I think it's at around 39.5k at the time recording this video. So we're seeing this very nice correction play out for the wider market. As you can see, something that we've been calling for most altcoins, especially in the past few days, is this ABC reversal pattern out of the recent massive correction that we've seen. Obviously, as you can see, Solana did get basically beaten down quite a lot here. If we take a look at the all-time high to where it dumped around 67%. It's currently still down around 36%, which is actually quite good in comparison to most altcoins, because there are altcoins out there that got absolutely hammered. As you can see, we wicked down to around this area here, where there was this previous swing high, as we can see here, and a decent amount of structure. Since then, we've been bouncing back quite nicely. As you can see, there was a previous level of support here, which we came down and touched again, but we did make a higher low, which was nice to see. This area around $25 seems as though it has formed a very nice level of support. We did come down below this in the initial, the secondary dump that we saw after the 19th of May. But we do think this was extremely overextended from a massive amount of fear in the market, and this wasn't actually justified for the price. But as we can see, we didn't get outside of this falling wedge for a long time until around the 23rd of May, where things got way too overextended. And we did get this nice relief rally with this little ABC, as you can see, but also breaking out of this falling wedge. And we did flip bullish on our EMAs, which was nice to see. As we can see here, we did have a nice little rally here, but we started to run out of steam as we were running into resistance in this area. It seems at around $35. As you can see, there are previous areas here of support which have been flipped into resistance now. But we did come back down and roll and retest some of the lows, but it did seem as though we bottomed out nicely here at around this $25.5 level, as we can see. And then obviously we've actually got this relief rally now where it looks as though we're just about to break this previous high. So something that we've been rattling on about now for a few days is we're making higher lows, but we also want to be making higher highs. And as you can see, it seems as though we are about to make a higher high for Solana. So we've got our higher low here, then we've got our higher high, then we come back down, we made a higher low, so we've got this A and B pattern here, as we can see. And now what we're looking for is basically the continuation of the pattern, making a higher high as well. So if that was the case, we'd probably come up to about here, make a higher high, as you can see. So we'd be making a higher high here rather than at here, which is a textbook continuation pattern, as we can quite clearly see. So we're making higher highs and higher lows, which means that we are reversing out of this pattern that we've seen. And we would be looking, if we can get back above this area here at around $40, I do think things are going to be golden for continuation for Solana. It's quite clear that this area here that we just outlined, this $40 level, is going to be a strong level of resistance, because we've come back down multiple times in the past here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did get this correction down below it, but we came back above it for a period on that day where we had the huge correction. So it does seem as though this $40 level is a very strong level of support and resistance. And that would probably be our next target in terms of the short term, if we can see this ABC correction to the upside. We're seeing a very nice reversal, as we can see, out of this recent massive correction to the downside. Obviously, the all-time high of around $58 is something that we'll probably be targeting in the next month or so, especially if we can get back above this $40 level. I do think if we can get back above $40, which is going to be a strong level of resistance, as we can see, things are going to be very nice for continuation for Solana. What I think is probably most likely going to happen is we will make this higher high, which will mean that will be good for continuation. As you can see here, we'll probably come back, retest these levels that we previously topped out at as a higher high here, as you can see, which was a previous support, a previous resistance, and flip it into support. So around $35, as we can see. Hopefully we'll test this $40 level at least, and then probably come back down, retest these levels at around $35, $36, and then hopefully we can break back above this $40 level, because if that happens, things are looking very good for continuation for Solana. And provided there's no crazy catastrophic events in the wider market, it does look as though Bitcoin is challenging 40k again. And if we can break that 40k level for Bitcoin, obviously all alts are going to pump as well with it. And I do think this relief rally that we're seeing is obviously largely down to Bitcoin slowly moving upwards. It does look as though it's broken out of a bull, of a pennant, and it is flipping to the upside, which is very strong in our opinion. Bitcoin's also making higher lows. It hasn't made any higher highs yet, but it does look as though the selling pressure is weakening on Bitcoin. And obviously if that's the case and we can see Bitcoin get above 41k, we do think the bull run will be fully resumed. And Solana is most likely going to continue to the upside as well. So short-term price prediction, we do want to see Solana break this $40 level. I do think if it breaks this, then we're going to see some nice upside for Solana. Obviously the next point of resistance, the main resistance, is $50. So that'd be a very, very nice little move upwards. If my move upwards of around 21%, as we can see here, if we can get above that $40 level, I do think that we'll move up to that $50 level in short order. Obviously we're looking to reclaim some of these levels up here, and obviously that all-time high of $60 is the main target for many people, getting back there as soon as possible. But we do think it's possible in the short term. We do want to see Solana hitting this $40 to $41 level of resistance here. If we can do that, maybe come back down, retest, and then break through it. And if we do, then we do think things are looking very rosy for Solana. And as we said, we do think Solana's got the potential to be $200, $300, maybe even $400 by the end of the bull run, which would be around a 10x from the current price, or around, you know, not even a 10x from the all-time high. So we would say our price target for Solana, considering how much utility it's offering, you don't need us to tell you, if you're looking at Solana videos, how good this project is. So obviously we've got the smart contract wars coming in the summer as well, with so many platforms going up against each other, and we do think Solana is going to benefit from this as well. So we do think Solana by the end of the year could easily be $400 or $500, which would be around a 10x from the all-time high. So we don't think that's unreasonable at all to suggest, especially considering that if you look at the start of the year, Solana was trading at around $1.60. So it's currently trading up around well above a 20x from the start of the year. So congratulations to anyone who bought Solana at the start of the year. You've probably been heavily rewarded for your investment. So that's our update for Solana today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway of a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself online and your crypto with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.